Cybersecurity theories are frameworks that help in understanding and predicting cyber threats and attacks. These theories provide insights into the motivations of attackers and strategies for defending against them. Understanding cybersecurity theories is crucial for developing effective security measures. Deterrence theory suggests that the threat of punishment can deter cyber attackers from carrying out malicious activities. It emphasizes the importance of strong security measures and consequences for cyber crimes. Deterrence theory is based on the idea that the potential cost of an attack outweighs the potential gain for the attacker. Rational choice theory posits that attackers make rational decisions based on the potential risks and rewards of their actions. This theory helps in understanding the decision-making processes of attackers and predicting their behavior. By analyzing the incentives and constraints faced by attackers, organizations can better protect themselves against cyber threats. Routine activities theory suggests that cyber attacks are more likely to occur when motivated offenders, suitable targets, and lack of guardianship converge. Understanding the routine activities of attackers and potential vulnerabilities in an organization's security posture is essential for effective cybersecurity. By disrupting the routine activities of attackers and implementing security controls, organizations can reduce their risk of cyber attacks. Social learning theory posits that individuals learn by observing others and imitating their behavior. In the context of cybersecurity, this theory highlights the importance of promoting a security-conscious culture within an organization. By fostering a culture of security awareness and best practices, organizations can mitigate the risk of insider threats and human errors. Deterrence compellence theory combines elements of deterrence and compellence to influence the behavior of adversaries. It involves not only deterring attacks but also compelling adversaries to change their behavior through diplomatic, economic, or military means. This theory is relevant in the context of cyber warfare and state-sponsored attacks where strategic deterrence is crucial. Game theory is a mathematical framework for analyzing strategic interactions between rational decision-makers. In cybersecurity, game theory can be used to model the actions of attackers, defenders, and other stakeholders in a cyber conflict. By applying game theory, organizations can optimize their defensive strategies and anticipate the moves of adversaries. Cognitive dissonance theory suggests that individuals experience discomfort when their beliefs or attitudes are inconsistent with their actions. In the context of cybersecurity, this theory is relevant for understanding the psychological factors that may lead individuals to engage in risky behaviors. By addressing cognitive dissonance through training, awareness programs, and behavioral interventions, organizations can reduce the likelihood of security incidents. Situational crime prevention theory focuses on reducing opportunities for crime by modifying the physical or social environment. In cybersecurity, this theory emphasizes the importance of implementing security controls and safeguards to deter potential attackers. By designing systems with security in mind and implementing access controls, organizations can prevent cyber attacks before they occur. Complexity theory examines the behavior of complex systems and how they adapt and evolve over time. In the context of cybersecurity, complexity theory helps in understanding the interconnected nature of cyber threats and vulnerabilities. By applying complexity theory, organizations can develop resilient and adaptive security measures to mitigate the impact of cyber attacks. Attribution theory focuses on how individuals attribute causes to events and behaviors. In cybersecurity, attribution is essential for identifying the perpetrators of cyber attacks and holding them accountable. By leveraging attribution techniques and threat intelligence, organizations can attribute cyber attacks to specific threat actors and take appropriate countermeasures. Control theory posits that individuals are motivated to maintain a balance between their goals and the constraints imposed by society. In the context of cybersecurity, control theory helps in understanding the factors that influence individuals' decisions to engage in cyber crimes. By implementing effective controls, such as access controls and security policies, organizations can limit the opportunities for malicious activities. Resilience theory emphasizes the ability of systems to withstand and adapt to disruptions while maintaining their core functions. In cybersecurity, resilience is essential for organizations to respond to and recover from cyber attacks. By building resilience through incident response planning, backup strategies, and training, organizations can minimize the impact of cyber incidents. Social contract theory posits that individuals agree to abide by societal norms and laws in exchange for protection and security. In the context of cybersecurity, social contract theory underscores the importance of shared responsibility in protecting digital assets. By promoting a culture of cybersecurity awareness and collaboration, organizations can uphold the social contract and enhance their collective security posture. Complexity conflict theory combines elements of complexity theory and conflict theory to analyze cyber conflicts and security challenges. It highlights the dynamic and evolving nature of cyber threats and the potential for conflicts to escalate in the digital domain. By understanding the complexities of cyber conflicts and applying conflict resolution strategies, organizations can mitigate the risks of cyber warfare and geopolitical tensions. Resilience adaptation theory focuses on the ability of systems to adapt and evolve in response to changing threats and environments. In cybersecurity, this theory emphasizes the importance of continuous monitoring, assessment, and adaptation of security measures. By embracing a mindset of resilience and adaptation, organizations can stay ahead of cyber threats and effectively respond to emerging challenges. Behavioral economics theory combines insights from psychology and economics to understand how individuals make decisions in uncertain environments. In the context of cybersecurity, this theory helps in analyzing the cognitive biases and heuristics that may influence security-related decisions. By applying principles of behavioral economics, organizations can design security measures that align with human behavior and decision-making processes. Network theory examines the relationships and interactions between nodes in a network to understand its structure and dynamics. In cybersecurity, network theory is used to analyze the flow of information and identify potential vulnerabilities and attack paths. By leveraging network theory, organizations can optimize their network security architecture and enhance their resilience against cyber threats. Game theory conflict theory integration combines elements of game theory and conflict theory to analyze competitive interactions in cyber conflicts. It helps in modeling the strategic behavior of adversaries and predicting the outcomes of cyber engagements. By integrating game theory and conflict theory, organizations can develop strategic responses to cyber threats and enhance their defensive capabilities. Cybersecurity theories provide valuable insights into the motivations, behaviors, and strategies of cyber attackers. By understanding and applying these theories, Organizations can enhance their security posture and effectively defend against cyber threats. Continuous research and analysis of cybersecurity theories are essential for staying ahead of evolving threats and challenges in the digital landscape.